Hey holiday enthusiasts! Today I'm super excited to share a fun and festive recipe with you all, the Santa's Hat Shirley Temple. This holiday drink is perfect for kids and adults alike, and it's so easy to make, so let's dive right in. First off, we'll need just a few simple ingredients. Grab a 1/2 cup of Sprite, 7-Up, or ginger ale, whichever you prefer. Then, you'll need 1/2 cup of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of grenadine, some whipped cream, and of course a cherry to top it all off. Alright, let's get started. Take a festive glass and fill it halfway with your Sprite, 7-Up, or ginger ale. This bubbly base will give our Shirley Temple that delightful fizz we all love. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of cranberry juice. The cranberry juice not only adds a beautiful red color, but also a nice tart flavor that balances out the sweetness. Now, for the magic touch grenadine. Measure out 1 ounce and slowly pour it into your glass. Watch as it sinks to the bottom, creating this gorgeous layered effect. It's like a mini holiday miracle in a glass. The next step is my favorite, the whipped cream. Generously top off your drink with a swirl of whipped cream to resemble Santa's fluffy hat. And finally, place a cherry right on top. Doesn't it look just like Santa's hat? And there you have it, the Santa's Hat Shirley Temple. It's festive, fun, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for holiday parties, family gatherings, or just a cozy night in. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy holidays. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more festive recipes and holiday fun. Cheers!